Hello everybody! In this video we will make a second application out from this ink, and this will be, we will make some easy and fast made ER panel like this one. So this is some old prototype of ER panels, and today we will make a step by step how to make this sort of the panel. So this panel will be in size of 12 centimeters by 50 centimeters. And yeah, let's start. So to make this panel you need some base material, which is in our case aluminium. So the same aluminium I have here is 2 millimeters and also 12 centimeters by 50 centimeters. And this will be our base material to make this ER panel. Instead of aluminium you can also use some thermoplastic. Works also really good, but we don't have such a big piece of thermoplastic. That's why we will use this aluminium. The second material which you will use is the contacts, and we have here some aluminium tape. So yeah, Matthias will make 2 strips of aluminium in the size of 1.5 centimeters. And yeah, you need 2 of these. So the aluminium tape you can find in some technical store, but instead of using aluminium strips you can also use some copper tape. Works also really good. So right now we have 2 aluminium strips. So we have the base material, also some contacts, which are these aluminium strips. And now we need some temperature shield, and this temperature shield is this foam. But instead of foam you can use whatever you want. You can use some glass fibers, some ceramic fibers, but in our case we will use this thermo foam, which is also, it's not great, but is good anyway. So in basic I don't know the name of this foam, but this foam can withstand the temperature of 110 degrees C, I think. So it's too bad that we have only this size, that we cannot cover with one piece the entire aluminium. So that's why we need to make 3 strips of this, because it's only 5 centimeters. It's only 5 centimeters bright. This ear panel will be some low voltage ear panel. So this means that if you measure the conductivity on the aluminum strips, need to be around, I don't know, 12 to 10 ohms. Yeah, Matthias have some problems.
Two big fingers.
2 big fingers, yeah. And here the aluminum strips you add on each side. Also, if you want, you can also use some copper tape if you want, but right now we have some aluminum tape and we will do with aluminum. But copper is better because you can weld some cable on the copper. It's much more easier like doing this with aluminum. So guys, and now we have almost finished. I mean, we almost finished this one. So one more time, we use some aluminum plate, which is the base of this ear panel. Here we have some temperature isolator. We use this thermofoam, but you can also use some, I don't know, some glass fibers or ceramic fibers, or every temperature isolator will work. Also we have here the contacts, which are made from aluminum tape, but in your case you can also use some copper tape, because copper is even more better, because the contacts you can weld, I mean the cables you can weld on the copper. It's a little bit difficult to do with the aluminum, so but we will use aluminum. Here we have some extra aluminum for the contacts to the power supply, and now we will rubber this aluminum a little bit with the sandpaper, because the paint will much better stick to aluminum. So you make your rubber with the sandpaper just a little bit. And yeah, we are ready to paint this one with the conductive ink. The roller is a little bit in bad shape. Also, if you want, you can also use something like this. This is some kind of, I don't know, some glass fibers you can put on the top, and also you coat these glass fibers with this conductive ink. And now we need to leave it like this, that the ink will be dry. Matthias, you can also bring the multimeter here. And like I said, you need to, you can test right now on the aluminium how much it is. So right now we get 1.8 mega ohms, which is a lot. So we need to leave it like this, and we will test the ohms, how many ohms we will get. If the ohms will not go down to some 10 ohms, we need to apply the another layer. So guys, sadly we need to add this one because the thermo foam is made from 3 pieces, and you see that here is not really good connection with the paint. So we will show to you how to apply with this one. So this one will not cover the entire panel. It's just for showing you that you get some idea how is made this panel. If you have this temperature isolator in large piece that you can cover the entire aluminium, you can only paint without this one, and will also work really well. So, and now we need to leave it like this, that the paint is dry. With this one the drying time will be a little bit longer, but we will see and wait what will we get. So guys, the paint is almost dry, so you can, what else you can show the ohms reading. And yeah, it's below 10 ohms. More exactly, is 8 ohms. Which is good. So, and now we will connect this panel to the power supply. Right now, Maji will connect the power supply to this ER panel. We will use DC power. Great. So before you start, please take a measurement first. And we have 20 degrees C.
Yes.
And now you can turn on the power supply.
Turn on the music. Turn on the music. Okay.
The voltage which we will apply to this panel will be 30 volts.
It's 10 volts.
Yeah, 30. Or 24. 24. So first we will make a power, I mean the voltage, we will set to 24 volts.
Nice.
Yeah, okay.
Exactly 24 volts and 3.
3 amps.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And we hit 67 degrees C. And yeah. Okay, take the measurement. $78. 84. 86. 'But guys, you need to also note that if you apply too big power to this small ER panel, you can damage the panel. Also, very important, if you make heaters like this one or some wall heaters, yeah, 92, cool. Please, and really, please use some thermostats. Like this one, but this one is for the voltage of 230 volts. So if you make some high voltage ear panels, please use the thermostats. First of all, when you this B metal sensor, first you need to take a measurement with the ohm meter and find, I mean, you need to find the part where is conductive at most, because the part with where is more conductive, this part will heat faster. Also, you can use this one. This is also B metal and is for 130. Oh, focus. Come on. Is for 130 degrees C maximum. Yeah, it's around.
It's steady.
Yeah, 90, 91
Yeah.
degrees C. So now you can apply. Oh, yeah, we have 24 volts and 2.6 amps. Because when you first time connect this panel, the amperage will settle a little bit. So you can increase the voltage
To 30?
30, yeah. And we will see what we'll get. So right now we use 30 volts and 3 amps, and we get a little bit higher, like 100
110, 116.
Yeah. Which is really good. So we will wait a little bit and we will take a measurement again. But like I said, please, this is your protection. If you make some heaters, please use something like this. It's around 120
Yeah.
on this power. If you increase the power, you also increase the the heat, the temperature. But like I said, don't put too much power on some small ER panel. So guys, I think that's it for today, and we see us in the next video. Bye.
Bye.